And what a pleasant day for Pakistani cricket team because they found a new, very beautiful and very talented spinner with the name of Abrar Ahmed. He is basically a finger bowler, and he deceived English batsmen in a very good way that they are unable to pick the delivery strategy of Abrar Ahmed. So today in his debut, he got 7 wicket, which is a very good start for our new spinner, and one of its his milestone of life. And so today we hope for the Abrar Ahmed, our spinner, he keep going and do well for Pakistani cricket team. So today all over social media, even including English media or in Indian media, so the topic of the discussion is one and only Abrar Ahmed, who is doing well for his team, and now Pakistani team in position to contest well and the win their second test match against England. So a very interesting statement from the captain of England. He said, today we are going to something extraordinary. So but unfortunately it has been extraordinary things, but not for England but Pakistan, because they produce one of the best spinner of Pakistani team, Abrar Ahmed, and he is very happy and joyful man now. So he don't explain much about its bowling technique, but he only said in his first interview with the competitor that he is a finger spinner and try to do good for his team.